Oh my God, there's more hair stuck in. What is going on? Hi guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I have another Amazon personal shopper unboxing for you. And you're probably wondering where the heck my Amazon personal shopper unboxing videos have been, because I tend to do one of these every month. And the reason being is the order that I'm going to show you today is from February. The reason why is I've been actually waiting that long for my entire order to arrive. And I don't have the entire order. I'm actually missing one item. And I figured I'm not going to wait any longer for the entire package to come. If it comes, it comes. But I figured I would go through these and show you what I got. And the funny thing is, typically when they send you something, you have like a 7-day trial period, and then you return your items. They have not started my trial period at all. And I think they're waiting for that last item to arrive. So I thought it would be here. We're now into the middle of April and it hasn't arrived. I might even cancel that last item. It was a leather skirt that they were going to be sending me. I don't know where the leather skirt is, but I don't know. This box, well, actually it didn't even come in a box. It came in 2 giant bags. This order is the most expensive order that I have had thus far. And if you remember in my last video, I told you I was going to increase the price of every single clothing type to the highest available to see what types of items Amazon has available for that price range. So let's get right to it and see what they sent me. Like I said, this order is from February, so I think a lot of these things are not going to be in season anymore because it's starting to get warmer out. But I might like something enough to keep it. We shall see. First up, we have a pair of cargo pants. It has like a unfinished frayed edge. Frayed, what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah. The word. Anyways, it'll come to me later. Trim. That's what I was looking for. Trim. It has a frayed trim. We have the Joe's Jeans Women's Charlie High Rise Skinny Ankle Cargo Jeans in gray camo in a size US 27, so size 4. Next up, we have a sweater, long cardigan in this nice green color. I think it's supposed to be like animal print. Do we have buttons? No, we do not have buttons. Okay, this is the Lucky Brand Women's long sleeve open front leopard mid-length cardigan in winter moss in a size small. And does this have pockets? No, it does not have pockets. That's a bummer. I'm deducting points for no pockets. So we have a denim jacket here with a hoodie. And this is the Blank NYC Women's Denim Jacket Outerwear Casual Encounter, size medium. Now, I could have sworn that the picture of this jacket was in a gray hoodie or a white hoodie. I don't recall it being black. I'm not sure if I like the black hoodie underneath it, but we'll see what it looks like when it's on. On to the next bag. We have a pair of what looks like black skinny jeans, and they are frayed, and there is a hair on them that is definitely not my hair. Ew. Ew. Anyways, so, oh my God, there's more hair stuck in. What is going on? There is like hair. Ew, it's like hair stuck in the frayed knee section of the skinny jeans. That's gross. And it's like a reddish hair color, so it's definitely not mine. Oh, that is gross. Okay. Anyways, we have, what do we have here? We have AG, Adriano Goldschmied, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Women's leggings, super skinny fit ankle jean in Years Black Destructed, size 27. And these are really expensive, like $136 expensive. And for $136 expensive, you'd think that they would send me jeans that don't have hair stuck in the little frayed edging. Am I being picky? Am I being too harsh, people? Gross. Next up, we have something a little different. We have this cute little crop top, knit top. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this when I try it on. It's from True Religion. It's the women's mixed up cropped long sleeve crew neck tee in the color Acorn, and it's a size medium. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about this. I told the personal shopper to like surprise me, you know. I told her to surprise me, him or her, I don't know. And that's what they sent, so we'll see what it looks like when it's on. Next item up is this cute little silky top right here. It has these like sleeves that have little ties on them. It does have shoulder pads. And that's what the bottom looks like. I don't know how this shirt's gonna look on me. It's from The Drop. It's a women's dark olive wrap effect tie cuff top by @HiLoLux in a size small. Last item up on the order is a shoe box. Gotta have shoes. These shoes are from Sam Edelman, and by looking at the packing slip, this is the most expensive item out of the entire order. And looks like we have a pair of tan beigey boots. What are these called? Sam Edelman Women's Lidell Combat Boot in the color Sesame in a size 7. I don't know how I feel about this one, but that's what they look like. They have like that linen material on the edge here. What looks like sock material almost, but you know, a little thicker. They look like they would be cute. I don't know if they're gonna look like clown shoes on me. Sometimes they kind of look like clown shoes, the shape of this type of boot on me, but we'll see. All right, if you want to see me try these items on, stay tuned. Here is the first outfit. I believe they intended for the outfit to look like this because when they sent the order, the items were paired together. I don't think this is a particular style that I would wear, like all of this together. I have the boots on, and I'll be honest, I don't really know how to wear these. Like with these pair of cargo jeans, they're very skinny, so I kind of just have the pants like sitting on top of the boot. I just have it sitting on top of the boot, but that's what it looks like. The pants are super comfortable, I will say that. They are very stretchy, very comfortable. This jacket right here, it does feel a little snug, like you can't, like I wouldn't be able to close this. I think this is a medium, so something tells me that this is the look that it's supposed to be, more of like a smaller fitted jacket, but I don't know. Out of everything, I think probably the jacket is something that I might wear, but everything else I'm kind of, it's not really me. I forgot to mention this before. You can actually detach the hood if you don't want to wear the hood anymore, or for the warmer weather, you could just wear it as a regular denim jacket. Here we have the crop top with the pants. Again, not really my style. Second outfit is the black skinny jeans with the olive green silky top. I just paired it up with some tan heels, and I don't like the pants. They are pretty snug. I don't like the way that the frayed knees look. I don't know, they're not my thing. As far as this green top goes, I'm loving the color. I really like the color, I really like the material, but I do not like these sleeves. These sleeves are just too over the top. I wish they were just normal sleeves. I would have considered purchasing it had it just been normal. The other thing that I don't particularly like about this shirt is I've only been wearing it for about 5 minutes and it's already come undone about 3 times, and that's problematic. Like, if you buy this shirt, I think you would have to like have your own closure installed or sewed in, because the closure that's here doesn't work for crap. That's what it looks like. So the jeans from afar. Last item to show you is the Lucky Brand cardigan, and I do like this color. I like the way that it looks, but it is kind of big. I got it in a small because they didn't have an extra small available. I think the extra small would have fit me a lot better. This is very comfortable though. Because it's out of season, I'm hesitant to keep it. Also, because it's got a higher price point than I would like to pay. And because it's out of season and the fit is not like impeccable, I think I'm gonna pass on this one as well. That's what it looks like. Oh, and also because it doesn't have pockets, you know, gotta deduct points for not having pockets. Like, gotta have pockets, people. So that's what it looks like. It's a good length, you know, I feel it's a good length. That was the box. I'm sure you can guess that I'm not keeping anything from this box. They sent me some interesting things, but I think because I've had the box for so long and the items are not gonna get much use out of these items right now for the season, so I'm going to pass on them. I forgot to mention this earlier in the video that while I was waiting for this last item to arrive for this February package, I actually canceled my monthly subscription to the personal shopper box because I didn't want to have a ton of orders on hand and trying to wait for the February one. So I figured I placed it on hold. I didn't receive a box in March and then April. So I'm going to resume my Amazon subscription starting May. So in May, I will have another box for you. All right, guys, if you liked this video, please make sure to leave me a like down below. Also, let me know if there are any items from this box that you liked, any items that you didn't like, and also let me know if you think the price point on these items are kind of high. I think they're pretty high. I know that I chose the highest price point, but I think for the money, some of these items I could probably find cheaper somewhere else, or get something similar at, say, like a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls for a lot less money. It's also nice to see what Amazon has available in case you're one of those people who hates to go to the stores but loves to get things delivered to them. All right, guys, if you are not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, I hope that you'll consider subscribing below. Hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!